Hey, here's a quick tutorial on how refraction works. So what refraction is a single NFT, and the metadata points to Refraction.art. The single NFT is burned, and at the same time there are 100 refraction tokens minted to represent that NFT, and you can see that transaction here. And this is the code that is able to do that. We've made it open source for anyone to look at. And basically, this art changes every time there's a buy order. And every time there's a buy order, a random layer is added to the piece. Every time there's a sell order, a random layer is removed from the piece. So there's constantly evolving visual aspects to this art as the crowd buys and sells. And if the price is up in 24 hours, the art has one style to it. If it's basically down in 24 hours, there's another style to the art piece. The three most important links to Refraction by Sven Iberween is where to buy it, which is on DAOfi, and that's right here. You just basically swap, just like you would on Uniswap. You can also see the bonding curve. And what the bonding curve is, the difference with DAOfi versus any other exchange is the price, the calculation for how the token price is done is it's a linear price appreciation. This is not different than Uniswap, which has a fixed ratio of both the quote and the base token. Instead, DAOfi has a bonding curve that's linear to set the price of the token. So every time tokens are bought, it follows the schedule. At the 40th token bought, it should be 10 ETH per token. At the 60th ETH, it's about 15, etc. So there's 100 tokens minted. So technically, if it could go up to 25 ETH per token, and it follows the schedule. And here's a table as well that reflects that information. And since the token is trading now, the Refraction ERC20 token, you could also see trading analytics via our partner Blep.ai. Thank you, Blep. Like basically, you could see here the candlesticks or lines, whatever you want to set it to. If you want to set it to line, you just click this. If you want candles, you can click candles. I have it set to 1 minute time frame because we just launched this just recently. So that's how DAOfi works. And you can read more about it at Refraction.art, and you can buy one of the 100 tokens that the NFT is fractionalized into by going to Refraction.art and clicking buy on DAOfi. In addition, we had a crowd sale for the Refraction art piece, and the crowd sale was conducted in our community called Fraction.art, and basically we sold 10% of the art token, so 10 tokens, at a price of 1 ETH for 1 token. And right now it's currently trading at 3.68, so about 3.68x ROI in ETH terms from the crowd sale price that 50 winners got out of the community. And the community looks like this. There's 173 people. To be in this community, though, you need to stake, meaning you need to just hold 5,000 DAOfi tokens in your wallet, and you get to join a token permission Telegram community. And you just click here on a desktop computer. It asks you to verify in Telegram your MetaMask wallet, and if you're holding DAOfi tokens, it will give you a link to the Telegram group, and you'll be able to join it. But if you move the DAOfi tokens, you'll get booted from the group. So a lot of folks are asking about token utility for DAOfi. Every time there's a trade on DAOfi, basically we take a 0.1% trading fee, and basically that's what that is. And basically those proceeds are used to buy back DAOfi tokens on the open market. So our goal and our ultimate KPI is daily trading volume on the DEX. So furthermore, we just launched DAOfi on mainnet. We are still in the process of validating product market fit, validating customer feedback, iterating, fixing, and once we validate the use case a bit, we will be scaling with more art pieces and artists with huge followings and reach, and we'll be just ramping up our velocity of art drops. So thank you so much, Sven. Thank you so much to the DAOfi team and all of the stakeholders. Thank you for all of the support and feedback. And we had a bit of a stumble with, not a stumble, but XDAI was a little bit more friction than we anticipated. But now we're on mainnet, so that's solved. If you want to go to XDAI, it's just at xdai.daofi.org. And if you bought the IDXM piece, basically you can. We're going to move this to mainnet in just a moment, and we'll make an announcement when that happens. But yeah, thank you so much. And that's more information on how DAOfi works.